Hello, YouTube. It's BTM here, bringing you back to Black Tiger Miner's YouTube channel. First off, happy Friday. And today we're talking about Caspa 2024 price prediction. I don't care about what your sister's uncle's cousin told you is wrong. And a lot of the price prediction you guys are looking at are trash. I don't want to take it from Bubba D, but some of these predictions are straight garbage. I don't even know where you guys even come up with these numbers from. But we'll get to the price prediction in a minute. Let me look at Twitter real quick. And I want to share you this quote on this happy Friday. So this is David Bowman. And I'm not even going to try this Nia something. Sorry if I got her name wrong. Hey, I'm trying here. So this is, you know how generational wealth starts. With one smart guy in the family investing something in its infancy, it blows up to monetary proportions, and suddenly the whole family's reaping the benefits of their smart thinking for decades to come. Thank you. So it's not financial advice. I'm not saying Caspa is what's going to create you guys generational wealth, but it's possible, right? And if so, remember where you heard it first, Black Tiger Miner. We're talking about this last year, and all of a sudden, a lot of people popping up. Now they're making Caspa videos as if they've been talking about Caspa. In reality, they just started, right? So we'll look at the numbers, and then we'll kind of look at some predictions. Actually, yeah, let me look at this. This is only the beginning. Caspa has been forked 4 times now. How many times has your level 1 been forked? Everybody wants to be us. So remember, there's going to be a lot of haters coming, and a lot of people are going to be mad when Caspa takes off. But this is just some information before we get into the price predictions. So this is CoinX. CoinX saying 2025 Caspa will be at 9 cents, the high of 14 cents. And this is straight garbage. I don't believe it. I don't think you believe it. And I was trying to see for 2024, I guess they're saying maybe 10 cents. That's weird. But let me know what you think. Put in the comments what you think the price prediction for Caspa will be before we actually get to the numbers. So I want you to look at this. This is TradingView. And Caspa has been stuck between this 11 cents and 9 cents. Most of, I guess this is the beginning, January 2024. Looks like it broke that resistance and then came back down on January 18th. And we've been stuck under this 11 cents since then. Or this is 10 cents, actually. Actually 11 cents. So Caspa's been consolidating. And consolidating is a good thing. And another thing I wanted to mention, everyone keeps talking about tier 1 listings. First off, Caspa's not going to get a tier 1 listing until it gets up in price. And currently it is, let's see here, 10 cents. So see if we go to the, so Caspa would have to get over or at least close to the all-time high before it's listed on a tier 1 exchange. Just think about it. Why would the tier 1 exchange list Caspa now when they could wait, right? These guys are still accumulating Caspa. And then once it gets as high as possible, then they'll list it, right? These guys are in business to make money. They're not in business to help us. They want to get as much as possible. Let's see here. Yeah. They want to get as much as possible and then list it. Like, what is this? 13 million to Gate.io. Mexi dropped 3 million, upholds flat. Mexi dropped 2 million, and this Mexi dropped 183. And let's see, looking for price changes. And you can see there's no movement in this wallet address. So I think these guys are trying to accumulate a billion Caspa before they make their listing. And then when they do, then the price is going to shoot up. So if you see here, we're still in this resistance band of 11 cents. But the real resistance band we need to top is this 13 cents. And you can see here, once we push past 13 cents, we're going to rock it up, right? So we've been stuck here. We hit it once and came down. And here we got really close. This was January 11th. Then it went down sharply. So I figure once we bust this 10, 11 cent range, we'll have to start bouncing against this resistance of 13 cents. Once we pass 13 cents, we're going to rock it, right? We're going to keep pumping and keep pumping. And like I told you yesterday, I think, it's not actually going to be popping past 13 cents. But once we crush this 13 cents and start pumping, then Caspa's probably going to push up to a dollar roughly, or maybe 30 cents. But that's when it's really going to take off. So if we see here with the addresses, these guys are still accumulating. And Caspa is still in this band. And you can see here, we had some, this is the day chart, we had some volume building, and we're still waiting for this MACD to cross. You see it crossed here, came down, crossed, pumped a little bit, crossed again, pumped a little bit, and then crossed here and went down. We had a slight crossing, and then we are consolidating and accumulating just a little bit. But if you look here, see if we can open this up a little bit. So we're still in the we're still here in the low RSI. So again, RSI is in the 40 range. And for something to happen, it's got to be up here, right? In previous pumps, it's got to be above the 50, what is this? The 70 range, 60 to 70, as I've been mentioned. Once it crosses back up to that 50 or 60, 70, we can expect a large green candle. But currently, we're still stuck under this 11 cents. So I suspect when we do have something happening, some kind of catalyst, we're going to bust this 11 cents and then start bouncing up against this 13 cents. And once we break off this 13 cents, things are going to get weird. The price is going to start pumping like crazy, and everybody's going to be screaming, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Just an FYI there, we were already screaming Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. And remember where you heard it first. I mean, I'm not a psychic, I'm not predicting the future, but from what I've been looking at, this is definitely a very real possibility. And someone mentioned, how many Kaspa do you need to become a millionaire? And I did a quick chart. I don't really like to do these millionaire predictions or how much you need to do, but this is just by Kaspa price, how many Kaspa you hold, and the Kaspa market cap to get to that price. And currently, I think the Kaspa market cap is 2.3 billion. So if you hold a million Kaspa, obviously, if it gets to $1, that would be a $26 billion market cap. And your crypto account will have $1 billion in it. Then if you have 500,000 Kaspa, if the Kaspa price gets to $2, that'd be a 52 billion market cap. You'd have $1 million in your account. If Kaspa, if you had 100,000 Kaspa, the Kaspa price got to $10, which is definitely in the distant future. That would give Kaspa with a $260 billion market cap. you'd have $1 million in your cryptocurrency account. And for most people, if you have 50,000 Caspa and Caspa got to $20, that would be a $520 billion market cap. You'd have $1 million in your Caspa. Sorry, you'd have $1 million in your cryptocurrency account. So that was just a quick price summary of Caspa volume to price to market cap to what to put $1 million in your cryptocurrency account. So now let's go through the numbers as usual. Well, we'll go back to Twitter and see what's going on Twitter. So this is, I don't understand the crypto OG. I don't understand who sells their Caspa at these levels. You should be buying Cas, not selling. Apparently, they don't know what they're holding, or maybe they're hoping to buy back lower, which is even worse. Eventually, they will get wrecked and miss the pump. So, like I said, once we pass that 13 cents, pump's coming. We just got to break out of that 10 cents and then push on through to that 13 cents. And this is Spinderella. It's relatively quiet around Cas. It makes me very bullish. Hovering around 10 cents is a perfect load up on more Caspa. It's just a matter of time before you see a huge surge in price. Caspa will be a top 10 coin. Are you still buying? And are you still buying? And also, click too fast. Just clicking like crazy today. Back to the salt mine, right? And we've been mining Caspa. I think this is a pretty good picture, a pretty good indication, right? It's just starting. So there's a long way to go. Just keep mining and keep holding on, right? Don't give up yet. And this is Egg Sloaner. And this is also the price prediction I was thinking. So, as you see here, what you see, this is us at 10 cents, what I see. And like I mentioned too, it's only a matter of time, guys. My price prediction for 2024 is somewhere between $1 and $3. And then for 2025, somewhere around $5. So let me know what you think about that. You think I'm crazy? You think it doesn't make sense? You think it's very, very, very bullish? Possibly. But if it does get to $3 by December and $5 by 2025, buying in at 10 cents wouldn't be a bad option. It's not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I think about Caspa. And clearly, we're here, and you can see as this chart's illustrating, it's just the beginning, right? We're not even in the dollar range. And I'm thinking possibly, as this guy's saying, $5 is definitely going to be the one of the top percentages for Caspa. I'm thinking it might be higher than $5, but at least this year, I'm thinking it's going to get between $1 and $3. So let me know in the comments what your price prediction is, or what do you think Caspa's uh, ultimate price will be, or what your prediction is. I mean, if you think it's lower, if you think I'm crazy, if you agree or disagree, just let me know your thoughts in the comments section. And I want to make sure you guys get the information so you can comment, like, and share, and tell your friends, right? Let them know what I think about this price. You agree with me or disagree? Think I'm crazy? Hey, most of you guys think I'm crazy anyway, so not a new thing to me. A lot of people are not used to not being liked. I've been not liked for a long time, so it's not a big deal, right? Bring it on. We're here and we ain't going nowhere. So continue to hold Caspa diamond handed, right? You got a diamond hand. And remember, Caspa, Caspa, Caspa. This is Black Tiger Miner on Friday, signing off. I don't want to hold you guys too long. Plus, I might try to squeeze another video out later today. Either way it go, let's get back to the money, guys.